I went shopping at DD's Discounts last weekend, and I'll show you what I found there in just a minute. On my way to DD's, I made a quick trip to Wal-Mart. And that's where I got this super cool book. It has 64 pages of illustrations. As I mentioned in a recent videos, I really enjoy coloring books with inspirational quotes, so this book was a great find for me. Now we're off to DD's. I didn't find any coloring books there this time, but I did land two really great deals. This hardcover sketchbook, which is sturdy and well made, and a small set of Prang colored pencils. This sketchbook is the perfect size for creating art for YouTube short videos, which I've been making more of lately. It was only $3.99 on closeout. The paper is good quality for sketching. It has the traditional attached pen loop. This sketchbook will be great to toss into an analog bag for off-screen time. Now let's look at the pencils. I have never even heard of Prang Groove pencils before, and while I've bought other Prang art supplies like watercolors, I haven't tried their colored pencils at all. So this was a good opportunity to get a small assortment and experiment with them. The price was amazing. DD's marked this package down twice. It was now only $1.49. I should have read the details on the box first, because I had 3 surprises when I opened the package. First, I didn't realize I could open the box from the top. That would be a lot easier. I also discovered that the pencils have small circles engraved in them, kind of like porthole windows on a ship. Maybe that's for decoration, or to make the pencils easy to grip. And the third surprise was that these pencils are triangular. The company says they're ergonomic, which means they should be comfortable to hold for long coloring sessions. These pencils look really cool, and they certainly have a good variety of colors for a small set of 12. I'll do a coloring test and review of these Prang pencils in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching. Where do you find great deals on art supplies? Please let me know in the comments.